It's raining. It's Wednesday morning. It's been raining on and off for the last couple of hours. We've been in a drought. We're 4 inches behind on the year for precipitation, so this is really welcomed. We've been in a drought pretty much the entire time I've been out here. We only had 2 decent rainstorms, and those were the first week and a half that I was here. Um, so yeah, it's going to be a different experience the next few days, being trapped in the tent. I could always go up to the house, but I want to just stay in my tent and focus on some of the things I've been wanting to do. Got a couple of stories to tell you. Night before last, I was using a candle lantern that my grandfather had made. It's wooden. And I had just said to myself that I need to trim down the wick. And I was really tired and being lazy and didn't immediately get up to do it. And I was dozing in and out. Next thing I know, the tent is full of smoke. There's fire inside. Luckily, it was contained within the lantern. But the lantern itself, the wood, and the glass part, which is actually plexiglass, just melted all over. Yeah, it sucks. It saddens me. It was something my grandfather made, and it's ruined now. Yeah, I don't think there's any saving it. I'll show you in another video what it looks like now. The weird thing is that one of his other candle lanterns was associated with a business, a little curio shop up in the Heights, burning down years ago because the guy left it burning when he left, and probably the same thing happened to him. Long wick, long flame in a wooden box. You know, I've used that so many times without issue. I'm sure the issue was the long wick. But it's a good thing that I wasn't totally asleep. I mean, I don't go to sleep with candles burning, but I was nodding off, and I should have just got up, put it out, trimmed back the wick, and went to bed. So the next story. That same day, 2 days ago, during the day, I was laying down and the door was all open, no screen down on my tent. And I had fallen asleep on my cot. Hey, there's thunder. And all of a sudden I was awoken to the sound of wings, bird wings, like really loud. And first thing, you know, I'm waking up to this sound. First thing I'm thinking is I'm being attacked by an owl. But it turned out, as I opened my eyes to see what was going on and what the hell was hitting me, I saw a robin fly out of the tent, and another one was confused and running into the screen that was over here that was down, trying to get back out. So I picked it up and, you know, threw it into the air, and it took off flying. But yeah, I mean, I've seen these birds chasing each other, you know, I think being territorial. And I think that's what was going on, was one bird was chasing another, and they thought they could just swoop through here, and they got caught up in the netting, and basically fell on me. That's what I woke up to, was it flapping on me. So yeah, that was interesting. Besides those things, not a whole lot been going on. Just a lot of the same. Um, Trying to think if there's anything else. Well, I can't think of it right now, so I guess this is the end.